Hello and welcome back to the Kid in the City. My name is Jontee and we are back with another product review. Y'all already know when I spend my money and buy something and use it for the first time, I'm going to put a review. If this is not your first time, definitely don't forget to subscribe. And we are here again with another review. I am a little late on this product and it's already gone viral entirely too many times, but I'm trying the Juvia's Place blushed liquid blush. You've probably seen this on TikTok, Instagram, everywhere in the world. I finally decided to just, you know, try it out and see what the hype was about, see what all the girls were talking about. And as you can see, this is a very blush pink friendly look. So we are going to jump into it. Oh, if you want to, of course, watch how I unbox, how I apply everything, and of course my final thoughts on this product, stay tuned because we're jumping right into it. Okay, we all know what time it is. Another review, another product, another first impression. I may be a little late on this one, but I don't care. I'm still gonna talk about it and give my first impression and my review of this product that everybody knows about, that has gone viral. And of course, that is the Juvia's Place liquid blush. Everyone has been going crazy about it, but I don't know, sometimes I don't jump on something immediately because I'm like, you know, things are very much hyped up. I literally just started eating Chipotle like 3 months ago because I was like, it's just too much hype. But we are getting into it with the Juvia's Place blushed liquid blush. I'm super excited about this. So yeah, y'all know whenever I spend money and it's my first time using something, this is what I'm gonna do. So these are the products. I got the shades Blush Lily and Pink Lady. And Blush Lily is a lighter, like a lighter pink, and then Pink Lady is a darker pink. So we're going to unbox, we're gonna do first impressions, we're gonna do all the things. So let's get into it. I just want to get into the description of the product. So this says, our lightweight multi-use liquid blush creates effortless radiance and a dewy finish for cheeks. Highly blendable, this pigmented cream formula hydrates the skin with vitamin E for a natural looking glow. This blush is cruelty-free, vegan, and made without gluten, parabens, some other word I do not know how to pronounce, and comedogenic ingredients. I'm very educated, but for some reason, I don't know, I couldn't read those lines. I can't pronounce those words. Anyway, in direction, and I say this again and again and again, I really enjoy when products put the direction on their actual packaging so people know how the hell to use it. Okay, so direction: apply to cheekbones to create natural all day dewy makeup looks. Pro tip: layer to intensify the look. So basically it's like a buildable product, right? You don't have to put a whole bunch of blush at one time. You can build on it to see, you know, what look you're going for. So here we go. Yeah, I think today I want to do Blush Lily, but I do want to swatch both colors just because, you know, why not? So I'm gonna do Pink Lady first because I'm pretty sure I'm not wearing this blush today, or maybe I am. Oh, my hand's slippery. Okay, here we go. So that is, I want to do another one. Okay, that is Pink Lady. And just so we can see it, where's the brush? Here we go. All right, so from here, that is Pink Lady. If you can see, that is Pink Lady. I'm pretty sure that's not gonna be the blush I'm wearing. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be in Blush Lily today, you know. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be in Blush Lily. So yeah, I'm for sure gonna be in Blush Lily today. That's Blush Lily. And let's bring her down. Yes, I'm going to be in Blush Lily. You can see the difference between those two. Yeah, I'm going in with Blush Lily today. I'm so excited for this. I need to wipe my hand off. I'm so excited. Ooh. And of course, everybody knows these blushes are so viral because they're giving the girls the pigment. So I'm really not going to use a lot at all. Just right on top of the bronzer, I'm going to do 2 small dots. Okay. All right, and let's blend it out. So that's the first blend. I think I'm gonna have to go in with just a little bit more. But again, that's the whole point, right? To layer. Let me not mix these colors up. The hell? All right, so let's go with a little bit more. Let's see where we are with this. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful this pink is. All right, and let's bong. Oh hell, I think I did too. Oh god. Wait. Let's just give it a moment. This is why I love buying new stuff. Like, this feeling is just great. I love buying new stuff and using it for the first time, and like, this is why I love shopping. Just the adrenaline rush. Okay, so that's all I'm going to use of the pink. And the great thing is, I have Juvia's Place as a powder blush, and I'm already obsessed with that. So I know when I put Lena from the powder blush palette on top of this, it's going to look even better. This is super soft, super blendable. And again, this is the cream, right? So the cream blush is always a little brighter just because you're going to put additional products on top of it. That's going to kind of dull it down a little bit. So that's not too crazy for, you know, for it to look like, oh my gosh, that's a lot of pink. It'll die down a little bit, I promise. Oh my gosh, this came out really cute. Okay, perfect. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to do the rest of my face, and then when I do the powder blush, I'm gonna of course add that to this, and then I'll be back with the final look. So in just a moment, I'll be back with the powder blush, and then we'll go forward. But I shall be back, and we're gonna keep getting into it, baby, because that's what I do. 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 Okay, so most of the face is done, but I definitely wanted to give Juvia's Place powder brush its own moment. So I've used this blush palette 1,000 times. It's one of my all-time favorites. It is the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette. This palette is beautiful, okay, when we really get into the colors. So Lena, this light pink right here, that's the one I'm gonna go into. I feel like that one will pair best with, which one did I use? Pink Lady? Blush Lily, which is the liquid blush that I used. So we're just gonna go in with Lena. And then just right on top of the bronzer, right on top of the cream blush.
Artlist.io.
So pretty. It's gonna be really nice out today, so I really want to put this nice pink on. And I do just want to buff out that bronzer just a little bit more. Alright, and now let me go back in with Lena and just blend that on top. And I didn't add any additional product to the brush, just my same blush brush, just to blend in with that bronzer just a little bit more. I really am coming into my blush era, and I love that for me because this is so pretty. Okay. All right, perfect. So now we have our powder blush down. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish the rest of the glam, and then I'll be back with the final look and my first impressions of the Juvia's Place cream blushes. Okay, so here we are with the final look. Let's talk about Juvia's Place. So this blush is, it's amazing. I am really coming into my blush era. I'm coming into my pink girl blush era, and I first got into the cream blushes with Revolution makeup, then more into my powder blush from Juvia's Place that I already had, and now getting into a liquid blush and just embracing everything. I see what the hype is about blush. I am on the blush bandwagon. I am her, she is me. So again, the shade that I have on is Blush Lily from Juvia's Place. The other shade that I bought is Pink Lady. So I usually always get a light pink and a more orangish reddish pink whenever I do me personally, just for my skin tone. So again, as a brown girl, sometimes our blushes can be orange, and they can be like a burnt pink, they can be like a rust. I feel like having brown skin, the range of blushes is insane. So Juvia's Place definitely has a lot of pigments to choose from, which I also, of course, as a black owned makeup company, you expect that, and you know, they're going to understand that you know, brown skin comes in an array of shades. So of course the shades that you provide are going to have to reflect that. So getting into Blush Lily, I will say I definitely layered, because that was something that I saw like people were applying a whole lot, and it was just all over the place. So it's definitely a buildable product, which I definitely did, and I think it came out great. I really want to get into Pink Lady, because I feel like she's gonna give me that what's it called, like a sun kiss kind of blush. This is very pink. I feel like Blush Lady is going to give me like that glowy sun kiss kind of look, like orangish, which I'm definitely here for. But either way, 10 out of 10. I would definitely swatch these. They are available in Ulta. I would swatch these just to see which shade you feel is best with your tone. For me, mine are Blush Lily and Pink Lady. I'll put the links in the description box below. And yeah, these are for sure going to be added into the repertoire, honey. They are going to be added into the routine. I'm super excited. I love this blush girly that I am becoming. I love that for me. Love that for me. But yeah, that's basically it. Again, do not forget to follow me on all socials at The Kid in the City. I do thank you so much for your time. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with the kid, and for that I thank you. Until next time, bye.
Music licensing reimagined.